Hi, and welcome to the Modelogix how-to video series. This video is on basic navigation in Modelogix. I've already opened up the screen, and when you do so, you'll come to the home screen. You'll see the home screen up here. You'll see across the top some of the common functions used with Modelogix, such as importing WinEst estimates or Excel estimates. We'll come back to those in a second. On the left, we see a navigation pane. And in here you can see the estimates that you have in your Modelogix database. You can see the models you've developed and any reports you've built. These models can use subfolders. So for example, as your estimates grow in number, you could have them subgrouped by industry, by year, whatever would suit your business. Over on the right at the top, you can see who's logged in. I've logged in as admin. However, if I switched over as a username, you would show your user up there. The help button's available from there. You can also press F1. The about is where you can find out the version of Modelogix you're in. And you can also see the license details, how the licensing is set up. Across the top, we've got some of the common functions used with Modelogix, such as importing WinEst estimates directly from WinEst or importing Excel estimates, creating models, searching. Searching is where you browse through all the estimates in your database and filter by criteria. And of course, you can design reports too. So all of this can be accessed from the navigation pane and also across the top. We have some training videos that are available. Clicking on any of these will let you see how to do things such as adding markups, analyzing the cost model, benchmarking, searching, designing reports. When you click on Setup, you'll see all of those items or menu items that are available, such as setting up cost indices, adding markups, customizing metrics. Probably most important are smart categories and WBS tables. This is where you would set those up. Search opens up a map and a grid view. Clicking on any one of these items will turn the pinpoint to a green. Over on the right is where you filter your searches. This is done so that you can create models. So for example, you could filter by city or state. Best information is what comes from the model's details that are input when you create a model. You can filter on smart categories. These are set up by your administrator and can be set up, and you can tag the estimates almost any way you want. In this example, we have them tagged by industry segment. Unchecking everything except for healthcare brings just healthcare estimates into the view here. You could use gross square footage. And it's from here that you would create a model from the search results by clicking up in the menu buttons at the top here. Or if you wanted, you could export to Excel. A couple other options here are center on the selected estimate. So the map will center. You can turn the map on or off by clicking this button. And you can hide the grid if you desire by clicking that button. When, for example, you're in a model, you can click Spreadsheet. I like showing this view. This is kind of the heart of Modelogix. This is all the estimates that were used to generate this model. But you can also see the other items available on the model, the details, markups that you've added, benchmarking, notes and attachments can be saved on the model. This is all managed from here. And this is the same for the estimates. So when you click on an estimate, you've got details, a spreadsheet view of the estimate, control quantities, smart categories, and attachments. When you're in the model spreadsheet view, you'll have model options over to the right. And this is where you can turn on cost indexes. You can see all the metrics and tables available. And of course, you can see the history on the model itself. So that's a quick overview of Modelogix. Many of these topics will be covered in separate videos, and all of them will be covered in the Modelogix introduction training. And for the administrators who will be setting this up, they will be covered in the Modelogix administration training. Thank you.